Oh, spring is finally here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys my top 3 do's and don'ts of spring lawn care. Let's get into it. So I see a lot of people giving some advice on YouTube about dethatching your yard, throwing a bunch of fertilizer, and what they don't realize is that that could actually cause more damage than good. So the first do of spring lawn care is to get out here and rake and blow the yard off. I like to grab a simple garden rake and just fluff up all the grass that was matted down over the winter time. Then I grab a leaf blower and just blow all the debris off the lawn. Now what this is doing is it's actually just fluffing all the grass up, and it's allowing all that oxygen and wind to blow through the canopy. It's opening it up, allowing the sun to kind of penetrate down and warm the soil up. The first don't of spring lawn care is do not dethatch your lawn. Now I know it's tempting to go out there and bust out the dethatcher and start ripping everything up because you see some brown in your yard. But that brown might actually just be dormant grass that is still waking up. I'm not saying that dethatching in the spring isn't a good thing, but just wait a couple of weeks until the grass is in its optimal growing capacity. You want to dethatch your lawn when it's growing its fastest to help recovery. Right now, we're about here on the growth scale. So you want to wait a couple of weeks until we reach here in order to dethatch your lawn, just to help facilitate recovery. Now, the second thing you guys want to do is what is called the wake up cut. Now, this isn't really your first mow. What this is doing is it's just taking the tips off the grass. That's anything that was damaged by the winter. What this is also doing is it's signaling to the roots and to the plant, okay boys, it's time to wake up, it's time to start growing. Now, the second thing you don't want to do is to cut your grass too short too soon. Scalping your yard this early on is going to set you back weeks. Now, this is especially important in cool season grasses. Now, with warm season, you can definitely scalp early on in the season because that's actually going to help the grass. But with us cool season people, you do not want to cut your grass too short. Just do that wake up cut. Take the tips off, just the tip. You want to set your mower just enough so it's just taking the tiniest amount off. Now, the third thing you guys definitely want to do this spring is apply a light dose of fertilizer. And I'm not talking a lot, just a little bit. This is actually where liquids are going to be much better for your lawn than doing a heavy granular application. Now, liquid fertilizers are great for this because you can really control how much nitrogen you're putting down. It's more readily available to the plant, you're not overdoing it, and you get much better coverage across the lawn. I applied this about 2 weeks ago with a simple hose end sprayer, and you can already see the difference in the green up of the lawn. So the third thing you guys don't want to do is apply a bunch of granular fertilizer. Right now is not the time to push a bunch of growth. The grass is still waking up. Imagine you waking up in the morning time and eating a 3-course meal. That's not going to be very good on your GI. So just like with the grass, think of this as like a morning coffee. You're just giving it a little jump start in the beginning of the season. Okay guys, quick recap. Clean it up, do a light cut, apply a small amount of fertilizer, avoid dethatching, avoid scalping, and avoid over applying fertilizer. Keep it simple. Avoid going aggressive, and your lawn will thank you for it. So before you guys go, I just want to really thank everybody who subscribed to my YouTube channel last year. I started this thing with 0 expectations of where it would go, how much engagement I would get, and how much fun I would kind of have making these videos, sharing all the knowledge that I gained over the last 5 or 6 years of doing lawn care. So I wanted to do something special for you guys. I'm going to do a $250 Landzie giveaway. All you have to do to enter is just like this video and comment down below what your 2026 lawn goals are. Whether you want to start reel mowing, leveling your yard, using liquid fertilizers, just comment down below what your goal is this season. I will announce the results in about 2 weeks from now. I'll post on my YouTube page the winner. I also got some big announcements coming up this year with a big move to a new property, new lawn. I'm starting over from scratch. So I'm going to be bringing a lawn from zero to hero. So if you guys want to see that journey, make sure you guys subscribe and follow along. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.